Oh lord, episode 44 already, more road stuff to watch that makes you shake your head so much that you'll get dizzy. See, there we go already. This should be torture, but still, dashcam stuff is oddly satisfying, isn't it? Like this example, being very close to a crash. That was too harmless for you? Well, here's a clip where it's very close to a serious crash. We gotta give an honest applause to the driver of this old Volkswagen Golf. He does not have any assisting electronics, not even something as simple as ABS. His tires were blocking, as you can see on those skid marks, but what he had were serious driving skills and a grade A overview over traffic. He supposedly did see the other car on the left lane coming and waited with his dodging move until space was clear to then heavenly jerk the car to the left with an inch of space to the van and then keep the steering just right to catch the car back into a stable position. That is one awesome driver. If we take a look at his car, it seems like he is a lover of the model, which means the running gear might be in perfect technical condition. Together with my assumption that he had proper tires on those shiny rims, gives us all a good example how valuable a good overall condition of your car is. Yeah, I am talking to you Americans who like to ignore their car's condition until the whole underside starts crumbling from the rust and then trying to hold everything together with shoelaces and network cables. I am not exaggerating. Anyway, it's more than obvious, but I want to point out anyway that all this would not have happened if that stupid van driver wasn't oblivious as fuck and changed lanes without giving a damn about the Golf driver. From the classic asset of obliviousness of drivers over to the other classic asset, impatience. Impatience causes some of the most pointless moves ever. The light is red, but cyclist must be overtaken. Mission accomplished. I can't tell if this here is a matter of impatience, I just don't know what this guy is doing on the sidewalk. Passing a truck before a corner is already stupid enough. Passing it on a straight road where you do see oncoming traffic may be even stupider. Wait for it. Say, where the hell did he even come from? It was only literally 2 seconds since the last car passed us, and he comes shooting along like the Roadrunner and accelerating a lot further in very bad road conditions. I dare to judge such people. I am not the goddamn Pope. That was fast, but it gets faster. Speed limit on such roads is 100 kph, and while I am nobody to criticize people for going a little faster than allowed, this is goddamn dangerous. And we got another guy playing with his life when overtaking so close to it. Oh! It was only 2 cyclists. The carnage, if that was a car. So for now, let us ignore this catastrophic safety distance here and cheer for instant karma. Squad car looks different than in Germany. That is because this is Bosnia. I like how the squad car randomly got lit up in the beginning. It's like, here I am, prepare for your doom. Here we are approaching a rail crossing where the lights turn red. First thing to recognize is all the oncoming cars still crossing it. But somebody's thinking, the gates are still open, this is my road. If you remember what this is from an earlier video, it makes you despise this driver even more. This clip here gives a taste of what an illegal U-turn can cause. The black car was not allowed to go left, because the tram also had a green light, so the car forced the tram to stop behind its signal lights. So since the tram driver needed to check his surroundings for other idiots and then could not see his signal anymore, he had no chance but to keep going right before the cross traffic got a green light and blocking it off. But we've got another encounter at the rails, just in a more unusual way. That goddamn dog does not have any respect for traffic rules, does he? Tired of life much, eh? Ah, the dreaded middle lane crawlers. In other countries it may not be such a big issue, but since it's illegal to pass on the right in Germany, those people are a frickin' disease. Ah, come on, pal. You had plenty of time to brake a little for the guy to finish his turn. It may not have been very optimal to turn around there, but I see it as a dick move of the camera driver to enforce his right-of-way in such an aggressive way. But why didn't the other driver wait for him in the first place? Supposedly because his vision was obstructed by his A-pillar. This can happen very quickly, to a degree where whole cars can disappear behind this pillar.
Ja, muss man auch an, wenn du unbedingt so Brasilien Jiu-Jitsu, Bodenkampf oder sonst was, ist ganz schon
du Scheiße, ich Vollidiot.
Übrigens,
Du Kacke, ich dumme Vollidiot, ey. Ich hab die ja mal gar nicht gesehen, ey.
When approaching a roundabout, your A-pillar can sometimes perfectly follow the motion of a moving car within the roundabout and so hiding it for seconds. This can easily happen to anyone. Exactly the same thing happened to me, and it also happened to the founder of this channel as well, as he shows in his own clip here. Whenever you recognize that your A-pillar is covering any piece of road, you should be moving your head around a little so that you get to see all areas past this pillar.
Hey, was machst du da? Sag mal, hackt's dich komplett bescheuert, oder?
Passing someone in such conditions is a questionable thing to do. However, it is depending on many factors like driver experience and especially tires. So, who knows how good or bad the tires were in this case? Both were lucky that they didn't meet 3 seconds earlier, otherwise this might have turned out as a nasty little accident. There we are, minding our business, and all of a sudden an exit appears!
Ja, ich werde mich heute Abend noch mal Mann, ey!
Was ist jetzt los?
Oh, der LKW ist mir hier voll reingezogen, ey.
Right turn lane has a right turn green light. Straight light is red.
Ha, geil, Alter.
He doesn't know how lucky he was with the cops right there. Way too many red light runners are lucky, but you shouldn't be too confident about that. Did you see that? Another exit just fell from the sky!
Genau, da kam doch ganz plötzlich eine Ausfahrt. Ha, da müssen wir noch schnell raus, ne?
And when entering a freeway, remember to always change 2 lanes at once, because what could possibly go wrong?
Oh Gott, hinter mir ist gerade fast geklappt. Echt? Ja.
Oh look, a cyclist must overtake! Nah, in this case the passing is alright. It's the cyclist doing questionable things. Here at a light of a work zone a minute later. Now the cyclist puts himself in front of the car again, even though he must be understanding that he will be blocking him again once the light turns green. It would have been the far more social move to stay behind the car. That is what I always do as a passionate cyclist. I don't want to be annoyed by anybody, so I am behaving in a way that annoys nobody else. Still, this aggressive overtake is uncalled for. Let's be a good driver and ignore mirrors and shoulders. Doesn't seem like much, but this contact was $15,000 worth of damage, due to repairs, assessment, lawyer, and lots of trouble with the repair shop. Oh well, you better make sure not to cause stupid accidents, and also make sure to watch your ground clearance. Unlike the poodle. Here, the poodle, it's the poodle. Yeah, this poor guy has a rough time. Anyway, I'm done and done. You'll go watch another video of ours right now, and I will make another one.